All right, this is Marie Steffenson, and we are painting Plein Air with a whole bunch of artists. As the morning progresses, you can see more and more artists coming along. Oh, it's a joy. Just over the crest of the mountain here is the beautiful view of Urbino here in Italy. And we're making do with what we've got. Beautiful nature. It's a joy to see. I am repurposing my orzo cup because my previous one is not working. My previous one is leaking and apparently does not collapse and recover as well as I hoped it would. At least not infinitely. So repurposing my orzo cup for water. And this is the unboxing of the Tintoretto. Let's see. In this one we have the size, I think the 12 and 14. That's what I got. This one, was the last one they were selling at the table in Fabriano, so it was already open, but I still get to unbox it with you. Tintoretto, state-of-the-art reversible pocket brushes, and this is the 12 right there. Open it up for the first time. Yeah, I've been looking for some bigger Plein Air painting boxes, paint brushes, because last year the set that I had gotten stolen. So each brand new brush, when you have it, has sizing on it, and you want to get it wet and damp. So I'm going to set that in the water for a moment to soften up while I prepare for... This is the Tintoretto state-of-the-art brushes reversible pocket brush. Opening it up to do Plein Air here in Urbino. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is nice and fat. Just exactly what I'm looking for. There we go. So it comes in 2 pieces. This is the number 20. Very nice and fat. That is what I'm looking for a watercolor brush for Plein Air. Very nice. So I'm going to put that in the water. Let the sizing start soaking out. Let me check on the number 12. Still hard. This is the size 12 and 20. Okay, so the 12 is starting to soften up and get that sizing out. Very good. And the 20, not yet. Needs a little more time. Very nice. There we go. All right, so what we have here is the Tintoretto number 12 and the Tintoretto number 20. Just now getting the sizing out. Very nice. Oh, already softening up very nicely. This one needs a few more moments. So I'm looking to see how these brushes will be working over the next decade, right? Will they survive? Will they do well? And today's the first day painting with them in Urbino, Fabriano. Okay, start with the bigger brush, always. And we're going to load it with red. Have my portrait palette here for doing a landscape. So this is really interesting to interpret the colors. Very nice. Loaded up nice and deep with the colors. I feel like I'm just making a mess of this painting, and that's okay. We're here to have fun. Oh, lovely. Next to Maria Louise, another lady has come and sat down. I'm going to place her in here. Sitting here painting for beautiful hair. All right, let's go ahead and start putting some of these shadows in here. Okay, I'm enjoying how this brush is handling. I'm enjoying this. It spreads quickly and then it comes to a point easily well. boy, I like that. All right, let's put some of this tree in here. Beautiful architecture. All right, so this is the Tintoretto number 20. Let's try the number 12. Picks up moisture really nice. Let's see how it picks up the pigment. Very nice. Okay, I'm enjoying how this one is moving and functioning. I'm enjoying how this one's handling the moisture. All right. So that's the unboxing of the new plein air paintbrushes while we're doing plein air in Urbino with the Watercolor Festival. Unboxing of the number 20 and the number 12. Thanks so much for joining me. Wishing you all joy in your creative journey.